welcome back, YouTube viewers. I took apart a hard drive, and I found all these cool parts. And I find them, they look pretty sick looking. This goes on top of, where is it? On this thingy, majig, like that. But in between is these thingamajigs. Yes, I'm calling them thingamajigs. I know, any people that would really view it would be like, they're not thingamajigs. They're called something else that I don't know. But I find them pretty cool looking, especially how shiny they are. And this is the top part. If you can tell, I had to bend it because I did not know about that stupid frickin' hidden screw right there. I wish it would autofocus. No! But yeah, there's this stupid screw right there. Yeah, right there, yeah. I didn't know about that until I freaking bend out of place. But I took it apart because my dad wasn't gonna use them because they get too hot. And I figured since I took out that piece right there, this piece, I figured just take apart everything, because I found out right in between it, like that gap in between is stronger magnets. If you try to stick like other metals to it, these are all the screws that I took out. I think they made these screws out of aluminum, but I honestly don't know. But I had a fun time taking this all apart. And bye!